Day 9 on the Indian Chieftain Black Label build. The vertical sides of this massive teardrop tank are already decontaminated, set and locked in with our signature glass-like finish. Now for the technical peek, the top side install. We've taped off our precision overlap lines. We're laying the TPU now, managing the stretch to ensure zero distortion in that metallic cherry red shine. This is where patience meets performance. The front fairing is officially dialed, tucked, surgically trimmed, and heat-sealed for life. We're reinstalling the hardware now, factory fitment with a custom sole. Back where it belongs. Seeing that metallic cherry red hitting the light on the front end proves this isn't just a wrap, it's a transformation. The rear fender is officially capped. We've integrated the top piece with a seamless edge seal protocol. Hardware is going back on as we speak. No lift, no bubbles, just perfection. Rounding third and heading home. We're officially onto the saddlebags. The end is in sight for this boss bagger. Stay tuned, the reveal is coming.